while we're diving. That doesn't go under the water with us.
Oh yeah,
We're
we should
doing a
leave it in the
shore
car. We
dive,
should leave it in
like
the car, yeah. It's true. I think we should, Any-
Short briefing on the rules and regulation here.
because we're doing a shore dive, we should probably leave any. Yeah.
everything. Leave everything.
Yeah, leave everything.
Like if we're going on the boat.
Okay.
Like even our sunnies should go in here, right? Like
I'm listening.
Okay, I sit down. I give you a.
We do a briefing here or there?
Yeah, here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, good morning. So
Morning.
we come in Oslo. So you know my name is Marcus. You're from USA.
Can't, no, don't call me American. I don't like Americans right now.
Okay, good morning. So I give you the rules and regulation in the windshark. So here, so all equipment ride in multi-cab and also ride not bad in multi-cab.
I love those rings, by the way. Those are badass.
Yeah.
Those are badass, man.
Yeah. So going the briefing area
Yeah.
after one by one, put in the gear, walking distance maybe from the briefing area to the shoreline.
Sure.
Maybe 100 meters, 50 meters okay.
Sure.
So after put it here, relaxing, then your mask and is it put in place, so we can relax, put your gripper. Okay?
Yeah.
So first, entrance over there, the same, exit the same area.
okay.
So, current that song, so follow with me. So,
Yeah.
have the rules and regulation here, the windshark. In case the windshark close to you, do not touch the windshark. In case cannot control the windshark because maybe close to you, only you are like this. No problem, the windshark touch with you, no penalty. If you touch the windshark, you have penalty 2,500 pesos. Yeah. 3 to 2 times touching, stop dive, maybe go in Oslo. Maybe back up to jail.
Good.
Yeah.
I like it. Good.
Second is all camera no open the light, especially the touch. Because the eyes of the wizard is sensitive.
Sure.
Like the
Yeah.
people, don't be blind.
Sure.
Okay? So not allowed open the light and your flashlight.
Okay.
Okay? So and also do not apply any kind of body lotion. Because this is oily. Because the wizard eating the surface.
Sure.
Because maybe oil spill, 10,000 people using
Yeah.
maybe all the areas, wizard area, maybe oil spill.
I agree.
Maybe problem.
No, for sure. No problem.
Okay? So not allowed using the diving glove. Okay? No allowed bring the knife. Because maybe you scared the it's very big, the wizard, maybe hit the wizard, maybe cannot control.
With the what?
Nice.
Well, knife.
Oh, a knife. Yeah. No. Of course not.
Only
Yeah.
stick.
Yeah.
Okay.
No problem.
So the whale shark is in the surface eating the small prawn
Uh-huh.
to maximize control your buoyancy from the surface 3 to 4 meters only because maybe you can be you close the whale shark, look up the surface because plenty snorkeling people and paddle boat maybe kick your head. So you can control 3 to 4 meters.
That's what the depth you want us at.
Yeah,
Is that
because
3 to
the
4
whale shark is surface. The depth is 10 to 15 meters.
Okay.
No need going down because the whale shark in surface. Sometimes the whale shark swim in the middle.
Okay.
Yeah, you can video also swim the middle. Okay?
Cool.
So follow with me, right? So 45 minutes maximum after come back the same exit the same entrance. So follow with me because this is my rash guard is full of ball. You can see.
I love it. It's easy
Yeah.
to see.
Because you cannot join another group of diving because you need to diving every day.
Thank you.
Okay? So ride the multi-cab.
Okay.
So after
Let's go.
and after finish the wheel shark area, come back here.
Okay.
Okay, after ride the boat quick to the wheel Sumelon Island. So Sumelon Island has very nice spot too.
Think your
Group
sunnies
of
are ready.
garden of fish of Bracuda and black tip shark.
Nice. It's
So
beautiful.
2 times diving. After first dive, you can go to surface stop. You can go in the sandbar in the beach. Okay.
Hopefully the sun will be out.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Okay. Thank you very much.
I'll go put this in the van. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Guys, kami sa wheel shark from USA, from CFD. Thank you CFD. Cebu Panday. to bring here the wind shark. Thank you very much. Good morning mga divers.